Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 3 divided 3 divided 3 divided 3. So let's start with today's video solution. So try solving this tricky math expression. 3 divided 3, people write 1, 3 divided 3, 1 and 1 divided by 1. It seems right, but it is not. Yes, you heard it right. When same operation repeating itself, then always take a right approach, and the right approach is that always solve from left to right. Yes. So it's 3 divided by 3, then divided by 3, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, divided by 3, divided by 3. So it's 1 by 3 divided by 3. Now there are two different things, 1 by 3 divided by 3 and 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3. So in this case, 1 by 3 divided by 3 is not 1, it's 1 by 3 multiply 1 by 3, it's 1 by 9. But in case 1 by 3 multiply 3 by 1, this is 1. So there are two different things. So this is 1 by 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.